Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the world of music with a product that's making waves among beginners and seasoned players alike, the JOYO 10W Mini Bass Amp. If you're in search of the best bass guitar amp for beginners, look no further. Let's get into it. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let me give you a quick overview of what we'll be covering in this review. We'll start by discussing the key features and specifications of the JOYO 10W Mini Bass Amp, followed by a deep dive into its performance, portability, and value for money. And of course, we'll wrap things up with my honest verdict. First off, let's talk about what sets the JOYO 10W Mini Bass Amp apart from the competition. Boasting a compact design and impressive 10 watts of power, this amp is tailor-made for beginners looking to hone their skills without breaking the bank. Whether you're jamming in your bedroom or practicing on the go, this little powerhouse has you covered. But what really makes the JOYO 10W Mini Bass Amp stand out are its versatile features. With switchable 2 channels normal and drive, you can easily dial in the perfect tone for any playing style. Plus, with a built-in headphone jack and aux input, you can practice silently or jam along to your favorite tracks without disturbing the neighbors. Now, let's talk performance. Despite its compact size, the JOYO 10W Mini Bass Amp packs a punch when it comes to sound quality. Thanks to its customized full-frequency speakers and intuitive tone controls, you can achieve everything from deep, rich tones to gritty, distorted sounds with ease. And with up to 3 hours of battery life on AA batteries, you can take your jams outdoors without missing a beat. So, what's the verdict? In my opinion, the JOYO 10W Mini Bass Amp is a solid choice for beginners and seasoned players alike. With its compact design, versatile features, and affordable price tag, it offers unbeatable value for money. Whether you're practicing at home or jamming on the go, this amp has everything you need to take your bass playing to the next level. And that wraps up our review of the JOYO 10W Mini Bass Amp. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on jamming.